Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your laptop is not connecting to Wi-Fi. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So assuming your network adapter and everything's plugged in, your router is connected, whatnot, and it's just an issue specifically with your particular laptop or tablet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu search, type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top of the settings window here. Go ahead and left click on that and select Network and Internet. On the right side, go down underneath Advanced Network Settings and go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath More Settings, select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Go ahead and select that. This will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi code nearby because once you restart, you're going to have to enter that back in if you want to get online. So go ahead and select Reset Now. Select Yes, and now you will have to sign and close out of everything within 5 minutes. So close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.